Welcome to Graceland Online Tutorial. Our topic today is solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula. Solving quadratic equations using quadratic formula. Let's solve this question. Find the roots of 4x squared plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0 using the quadratic formula. Find the roots of 4x squared plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0 using the quadratic formula. Very simple. In our last video, I explained how to prove quadratic formula. Now, this is the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. That is the quadratic formula. Now you can see x is going to be the root of the equation. Then you can see a, you can see b, you can see c. Now, what will represent all those letters? Now let's go back to the question. The coefficient of x squared is going to be a. The coefficient of x is going to be b. And the coefficient, the constant there, which is minus 2, automatically is going to be the c. In other words, a is going to be 4, which is the coefficient of x squared. B is going to be 7 plus 7 or 7, which is the coefficient of x. And C is going to be minus 2, which is the constant. Now, having known that, we can represent these letters by the figures. Now, x is equal to minus b is 7, so that is minus 7. We can see b as 7 here. Then plus or minus the square root of b squared. Don't forget b is still 7, so that is going to be 7 squared. Minus 4ac. 4ac means 4 times a times c. So 4 minus 4, our a is 4 as well. This is it, 4. Then our c is minus 2. So you have minus 4 times 4 times minus 2 over 2a. So that is going to be 2. Then a is 4. So which is 2 times 4. X will be equal to minus 7 plus or minus 7 squared. 7 times 7 is 49. And then minus 4 times 4 is minus 16. Minus 16 times minus 2 is plus 32. So we are going to have the square root of 49 plus 32 over 2 times 4 will be 8. Now let's add these two together. So x will be equal to minus 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 plus 32. That is 81. So we have the square root of 81 over 8. So the next thing is to find the square root of 81. So we have x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus the square root of 81 is 9. So we have 9 there over 8. So x will be equal to minus 7 plus 9 over 8 or minus 7 minus 9 over 8. X will be equal to, now what is minus 7 plus 9? Minus 7 plus 9 is going to be 2 over 8. Or minus 7 minus 9 is going to be minus 16 over 8. Now, from what you have here, from 2 over 8, 2 can actually go in 2 and also in 8. So 2 can divide 2, it can also divide 8. So 2 in 2 is 1, and then 2 in 8 is 4. Or 8 in minus 16 is going to be minus 2. So our final answer is going to be x is equal to 1 over 4 or minus 2. And these are the roots of the equation. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Graceland Tutorial. Like this video and share the video. Success is yours.